In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme on Instagram DMs. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application and then right here at the top right corner, hit Add DMs icon. There you can set a different theme for each conversation. So first, open up a conversation and then hit right here at recipient's name. Then right there where it says theme, hit on that colored circle icon to open up themes. And now here you can switch theme of that conversation to any from that list. Here you can find two different types of themes. The first, I'll say, thematic themes, and the next block is colors and gradients theme. So now there, let me change it to citrus. And now I can go to that conversation, and here, as you can see, all text messages has changed their colors. You can go back there to themes again and change it on any that you want in any time you want. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.